Can you hear me? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Dandora, as you know, means a drum which is sounded for making announcements or giving information on certain schemes. So what we did is like this. As you know, what is exactly railways? We have got something like 13 lakh employees, about 7,000 officers, and deployed across the country, 8,000 stations, thousands of reservation counters, booking, parcel, goods offices, dozens of manufacturing units, factories all over the country, 25 central public sector units, construction offices, projects, hotels, restaurants. It's an empire in itself. And every day we carry about 2 crore passengers and 3 million tons of freight. And it is run, as I said, by 13 lakh employees, including 7,000 officers. Now, how does each of these employee working for the same organization in these thousands of locations, how does this employee know what to do in their daily work? How are they controlled, managed, informed, communicated, coordinated so that a train like Himsagar Express leaves Jammu on every Monday, it actually arrives punctually and accurately into Kanyakumari station on the third day, time after time, year after year. So we have these policies, circulars, rules, codes, instructions, everything given by the ministry, that is the railway board, at the zonal level, railway level, then division level, station level, and office level. All these circulars used to be are printed and distributed in a time-tested system. And how do we ensure that these correct instructions related to their correct workplace gets to the workers when they want it, where they want it. So over this 160 years, 165 years of our existence, we have perfected a system of manual transmission of these orders and circulars of thousands and thousands of copies of each circular to every station, every office, every workplace to be used, and on every train also. The drivers and the guards of the train, they also need these documents, and it is sent to each of them manually using paper. So you can imagine millions and millions of reams of paper used to be used for this purpose, and each of them accompanied by losses in transit, delay of receipt, and not received, therefore not accounted, and these circulars are pasted in certain books, and signatures of staff are acknowledged, and it was a time-tested practice which has been working fairly well. Over the last decade, these circulars, we started putting them on designated websites. Once the website started happening, so on the website, the staff can refer, identify their required circulars, and then download it, print it, and then try to use it. But even these websites had the problems of accessibility, internet not available in many places, pinpointing where is my circular, where is the circular required connected to my work, and downloading and printing of these circulars was another issue. So all this was a continuing problem for us. So we have designed this Rail Dandora app. This brings all the rules, circulars, orders, instructions to the very hands of the employees through their smartphones. More importantly, this is made available even to our passengers. Anybody can download it. It is not an in-house thing. So our customers can see it. Our parcel clients, our freight customers, our vendors, our suppliers, general public, everybody can see this, and it constitutes as a major transparency effort also. What makes it unique? I already told you the unique thing is it reaches every person can download and keep his required circulars, instructions, rules, regulations, etc. in his phone itself. This is an entirely in-house development again. We have not engaged any vendor or contractor or outside agency. We have not spent even a paisa to develop this. Our own employees were pinpointed, selected, and trained on Android development and web technologies, and they have done this. Earlier, printing of circulars and efforts taken to dispatch these circulars, all these efforts and the paper printed, etc., reduced to zero. Faster and more authentic information from the circular reaches the pinpointed employees. Whoever wants it can access his correct circular and download it and use it. We did a major exercise studying circulars of all various departments, various sections from 99 to 2005. These were all collected and compiled department-wise, work-wise, project-wise. And subsequent circulars are also readily available. We have made a smart search facility. That is, by entering a keyword, the user can get all the related circulars, and what is more, he can share it to people in his group, or the people who are a supervisor, for example, can download the appropriate circular and send that to all the concerned employees. You can share it through WhatsApp or Telegram or Facebook or any social media. So this suddenly, this Dhandhora becomes a one-point solution for immediate dissemination of all official circulars to customers, to employees, to passengers in the shortest possible time. And it is available 24/7. You don't have to refer to any register. It's available in a folder on your phone. So it is now being used by railway customers and employees all over India. You can check our Google Android Play Store for the replies, for the comments we are getting on the quality of the service. Scalability, very much. The circulars we can unify and codify and make available to other departments also. Initially, we tried this for the commercial department. Now we are planning to do this for all the departments of railways. Subsequently, any department in the central government or even state government can also implement this app. It is all readily available. The methodology is readily available. Other organizations can also increase their productivity and be well informed. The cost, the time, the effort of printing the circulars are all minimized. And the Citizens Charter of Railways, we talk about transparency everywhere, but this is the most transparent thing you can think of. Somebody who wants to transport say a bike using a luggage compartment of a train, he need not go anywhere. He can get this from this app itself. What are the rules, where it can be done, how it can be done. So it becomes a one-point solution for dissemination of circulars. So public can also be aware of railway rules during their travel. These facilities are also there. So we also provide information, various forms to be used by traveling public. Using of forms is a very necessary evil in the government service. Anything you need to fill up a form, and that form is available on our app. It can be downloaded and used by the public instead of going to offices or inquiring in other places. So the innovation is, best part we saw is that people have started getting the circulars in their hands, and our employees have actually started reading and understanding the circulars and discussing it in their groups and implementing them correctly. Our railway customers, parcel customers, goods customers, and employees, when they get stuck regarding any rule, they are using it to get a clarification. And the customers and employees can also search the circulars using keywords. So this has reduced the time in searching for and identifying the circular and finally using that particular instruction. All office-related information to railway customers and railway employees are also is provided. So the staff becomes self-reliant and more efficient in discharging their duty. And public can use the useful forms instead of going to offices or making inquiries through online. This is future ready, and it has got huge scope for expanding to other departments of central and state governments. This is what the homepage of Rail Dhandhora looks like. Simple Android application. Customers, employees, and passengers, and all rules and relevant circulars are available. You've got the Indian Railway circulars here, and second one we got the Southern Railway circulars. And on innovations and awards, there's a separate one given for this is for disseminating our achievements. It's available at this link in the Google Play Store. So among commercial circulars, if you see the various departments of the commercial department, like coaching department, which runs the passenger services, trains, then the claims department, where you lost some luggage or lost some goods or something is delayed, you want to file a claim, circulars regarding that, the catering department circulars, the rates, freight marketing related circulars, the entire commercial manual is available here, the traffic code, the commercial code is available here, and all sorts of miscellaneous information is also available. And here we have the important cases, court cases, judgments, which are very frequently required by various government railway officers as precedents and as to be followed up. The circulars and important judgments are also available. The claim circulars regarding settling of claims, payment of compensation in case of accidents or in falling from trains or losing something while in travel. For all these things, compensation details are available here. The important judgment copies from the Railway Claims Tribunal, District Court, High Court, etc. are available. On the left navigation bar, we have these very useful things. One is the useful forms, which can be used by the public as well as for employees, including starting from a leave application right down to claims application for a compensation. Then we have the entire passenger timetable given here. We have the parcel fare table given here. We have the refund rules regarding cancellation of tickets and how to calculate how much refund you are going to get. The concessions are available here. What are the various concessions, such as various kinds of types of patients, Divyangjan, freedom fighters, awardees of central government schemes, etc. It's all available here. Then all the general rules, conduct rules that apply to the government servant, railway servant are available here. And also there's a facility for communicating with us. And this is some description of the useful forms. All the useful forms, we said, I already mentioned that. And various concessions available also I mentioned. This is all given in clear detail so that no customer ever has to ask anybody else. This is authentic and it is kept updated, monitored to every day and updated whenever the latest circular comes. And we also have push messages whenever any new circular is coming. As soon as the new circular is uploaded here, we send a message to all the users that so and so new circular is available, please verify. So we have been getting very good feedback, as you can very well see from the Google Android Play Store website also. I'm coming to the end of my presentation with this. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. I would like to request to Suren, sir, is there any query?
Very good presentation, and it seems that railway is doing a lot of work so that the passengers are facilitated and they don't have any trouble while traveling in, and even if they don't travel and they make some claims of refund, etc. So it's a very good thing that the things are in public domain. I would like to know, sir, is there any improvement in the foreign tourists by doing these activities, which you have mentioned just now and in the forenoon as well?
In the you see, the rail partner is the one which has got a big chunk of information for foreign tourists. But unfortunately, you are asking the right question at the wrong time. Because of COVID, we are unable to judge at all if there's any increase. There's hardly anybody coming nowadays.
See, that is, I'm not asking, just just ignore the COVID portion,
Sir.
because your things have started much before the COVID,
Yes.
isn't it? So
Yes.
what these things have impact on foreign tourists, because we always keep on attracting foreign tourists for
Yes.
increasing.
And they love to travel by train because it's the best way to, learn what India is to travel by train. And we
Right.
do have our, I would say that the growth of foreign tourists by train is exactly coinciding with the overall growth of foreign tourists into the country. I don't have the statistics to show that, but there has been a steady increase over the years.
So these apps which you have just mentioned, 2-3 apps you have mentioned. So they are also impacting, because most of the young tourists, they like
Yes.
to, they don't like to use a laptop and etc., but they like to work on their smartphones.
Yes. This is exactly why we did. I told you the team that we got this developed was a very young team of young booking clerks, reservation clerks, etc., who were trained to do this, because they have the customer interaction on one hand, they have the IT savvy on the other hand. That's how we came out with these ideas.
Excellent work, sir. All the best. Thank you.
सर इधर रख लो ना ये लैपटॉप.
Is there any query?
Shefali ma'am, over to you.
No, good job done. I mean, railways, we have already asked him too many questions. No more.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
I just want to mention that it's nice to see in the government that so many people who are still so enthusiastic and take pride in what they do. I want to put it on record, our appreciation from Railways, irrespective of any award. the effort that Scotch is also making, it's tremendous. It's one of the most trusted one because of its neutrality. Thank you so much for the effort.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would request to Sunil Garg, sir, Water Supply and Sanitation, Moga, Punjab. Mr. Garg, sir.
Yes, I am joining. Sure.
So, share your-
नहीं लॉक सर कि लॉक क्यों
I am just sharing this